Say bye, Megan. No, hi, Megan.
Hello. Hi. This is Hooker.
How exciting.
I do know.
Let's look at Amanda.
Cookie Monster.
Wait, the Cookie Monster?
No.
Yes, my mother is here. These are last hours of us together in class. Like, for the last time. Think about it. Because, I mean, he'll be not there tomorrow. And then Philip, if we don't go to that one place, we won't see Philip again.
No, yeah, we will. His mom's gonna drive him out.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
That's
cool. Oh, she's so cool. Yeah, there's Michael again.
Hey,
nothing.
he's on the board too.
Can I just go ahead and zoom in?
Oh, there he
Michael
is.
Bublé.
He's awesome. He actually kind of looks like Michael.
I think it does.
I think it does. Go stand by it. Let's see.
Here, I gotta zoom back in then.
Whoa, it does.
There's a crazy resemblance.
That is really crazy.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
There's a great resemblance. I think the drawing looks cooler though. Sorry.
No.
Here, I didn't forget my robe. Would you like to talk to the camera while I put
Sure, I'll hold it. I'll do a better job of videotaping than last time. Ooh, okay, Saturday. Oh, there's Michael.
Haha, you're all dressed up. Stupid people.
There's Linda. What? This is getting a robe on. Yep. Zoroastrian classroom. Someone's smart water. Yep. That looks kind of nasty. It's a little, kind of a dog. Not really sure what that is. It's like a little Westie or something, someone said yesterday. This is the shelf, and these little clacky things. Clack, ready, wash. Clack, clack, clackety clack, yep. Someone's animal. Yep. Good thing they don't have those roaming around the forest. That would be pretty scary. 8th grade door. We are over the moon for Mrs. Holcroft. Oop, that's the sun. Planets. Yep.
I think I was supposed to hand these out.
Okay.
And junior high engineering week. July.
There's Lizzie.
Okay, there's the last person who test was.
There she is. Okay, let me see. These are books. Yep, we had to get this all situated today. It's kind of hard. So, this one too.
Should we take the camera?
Yep, you can go ahead now.
Huh? I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera for now, seeing that I only have an hour to blow on here.
Bye. Yeah, save it. Save it.